Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the WordPress group block. Let's begin. First, go to the official website for WordPress, click on Login, and choose Continue with Google to sign in quickly. From your dashboard, click on Edit side over here so you can launch and open the page editor. Then, I want you to click on the plus icon over here and look for the Group tab, okay? So this is what we need. We can now easily add this to our page. And right over here, we do have layouts that we can actually select in here. Choose your group style or column layouts. Then for example, I'm going to choose 2 by 2. Then you can click inside the block to add the text, images, or other elements. You can even add another block over here, like a group or columns. So you just really need to experiment and get yourself comfortable with using the group block. And that's it. You have now learned how to organize multiple blocks using the group block in WordPress. I hope you found this video very helpful.